Hello everyone, welcome to elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is August 14 and the chart of the day for today is XRP. This is one of the cryptocurrencies that we have in our service. So here we got the 1 hour time frame. It has ended with 4 here at 2.736. So we're going to be looking for wave 5 higher, which will be targeting the level that we're going to be checking out. Now, first of all, I think before we discuss the 1 hour time frame, let me zoom out a little bit and giving you an idea of the higher time frame, right? So here is the daily time frame. Now, this is only a partial count, partial label. If you want to see the full count, of course, you can check our service. We have 14 days trial, and the link is in the description of the video. We got 14 days trial only for 99 cents for new members. All right, so if I zoom out completely, okay, you can see we are actually making all-time high, which is confirming this is indeed a bullish market. Now, because we do make an all-time high, that means the rally needs to be impulsive, right? Because you cannot make an all-time high in a corrective structure, right? So if you take a look, the last move up, especially starting from April 7th this year, now you can clearly see so far we only have 3 ways up. So because we make all-time high and it has to be an impulse, we cannot just simply end or top out in 3 ways, right? So that means most likely we're going to break out again, eventually make another all-time high above 3.65 within wave 5. So this is 3.4 again. Like I said, because we make all-time high, every rally has to be an impulse. So this is called 1 2 3 4, right? And in terms of figuring out what the level is, then we can use the 1.236 retracement, inverse retracement, which is the minimum target for wave 5 at 388, which is the target higher. It's not exact target, but that's kind of like the minimum target we can use. The other thing here is, okay, so we know the structure looks incomplete on the upside. The only time I can see how it fails to extend higher here is if this marginal high above here is being counted as an expanded flat from here. So we got this A, B, and then we collapse in a select. Now again, why would I forecast something like that when the trend is clearly bullish, right? You don't forecast an expanded flat against the trend. It's kind of like forcing the bias. So when we do break to new high, then simply just use the most easiest way to forecast in the direction of the trend, which is an impulse. So we are missing one more leg as a result, unless again this is an expanded flat from here, A, B, and then break down in a select. Now, in the shorter cycle, I go back to the 1 hour time frame. We're going to be focusing on this rally from wave 4. Now, so far as you can see, the rally so far from wave 4 is only in 3 waves. Is still only in 3 waves for sure. So that means until we got, because 3 waves can be labeled as ABC, as you know. Now, for example, if things happen, this could be labeled as ABC, and then we collapse and turns lower again. Now, it's not our primary view, but certainly it is not totally impossible. So I think what I like to see here is just a simple rally above this wave 3 that will create a 5 swing from the low, and that will increase the chance we're not going to break below 2.7361 again, and that we're just going to continue to go higher, right? So it's just not too far away from that previous peak here, 3.38, right? So once we do get a break above 3.38, like I said, it will increase the probability that we will continue to have a follow-up to the upside, and any pullback will continue to find support 2.783. Now, until that happens, we're still favoring more upside, but the probability will not be as high as if we can break above 3.38 here. Okay. And then again, like I said, the target for wave 5 to complete this 1 2 3 4 5 is going to be at least 3.88. right? Now, once we finish 5 waves, then we can have the biggest pullback after that. But that's, another day and it's another time frame. But for now, our focus is not in the higher time frame. Our focus is in the shorter time frame, and so we're gonna be looking for more upside as long as we continue to stay above 2.7361. All right. So that is the update here, and if you want to get more updates, make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel and turn on all notification. All right. So I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.